Traffic. Now here's Paul with weather.
And it is a forewarned weather alert morning because of that dense freezing fog across parts of the mid-state. It's not foggy everywhere. We're going to show you some weather bug camera perspectives, and there are spots where you can see fine, but a lot of locations where the fog is still really thick and temperatures are below freezing. That's a bad combination. Let's take a look. First of all, let's talk about fog. When does fog actually develop in the first place? It's when the air temperature and the dew point are close together. That's when the humidity is close to 100%. That's when clouds develop. Fog is just a cloud that develops on or very near the ground. Freezing fog is when that happens and the temperature is below freezing. It's really not that terribly complicated, but it brings in the possibility of ice accumulating on the elevated roads, the bridges, overpasses, the on and off ramps from the interstates and freeways around Metro Nashville in particular, where the fog is the thickest. So that's the concern this morning. And here's the fog outside of Nashville. Smith County really fogged in. Now this is one of our typically fog prone locations, so it's not much of a surprise that we're seeing fog in this particular spot around the mid-state, but visibilities around downtown Nashville are still very reduced. We're looking at downtown. You would have no idea that we're looking at downtown. It's from less than a mile away as well. This camera is on the Adventure Science Center, so you can just barely see the lights along Interstate 40 here. That's the kind of reduced visibility you're going to have to contend with, and there's that possibility with temperatures well below freezing that some of the ice is going to be deposited on those bridges and overpasses. But then you look at Putnam County, eastern middle Tennessee, looking just fine out there this morning. So you head farther away from Nashville and the visibilities do improve. It's chilly though, 25 degrees right now in Cookeville to go along with those fortunately good visibilities. 25 degrees in Franklin. There's fog in southern Kentucky, plenty of fog around Nashville, and temperatures are 4 degrees below freezing. That's going to vary neighborhood by neighborhood, hopefully a little warmer in spots to keep us from having any ice issues. Also 28 in Clarksville, 25 degrees right now in Murfreesboro. Once the fog burns off, which it will over the next couple hours, temperatures are really going to warm up. Winds turn out of the southeast. Temperatures are going to climb up into the low 50s already by noon, the upper 50s for highs this afternoon. Just a few fair weather clouds overhead. So really the concern is just for the next couple of hours with that freezing fog until it disappears. And once it does, lots of sunshine. Just a few of those fair weather clouds. Clear skies tonight, which this time of year usually means cold temperatures, but the winds are going to be out of the south overnight and fairly strong, keeping that warmer air locked in place. Gives us a higher jumping off point for some warmer temperatures tomorrow. Lots of sunshine for most of the day, and we'll climb up into the upper 60s. Just a few clouds approaching from the west tomorrow. Those are going to thicken tomorrow night, and we are going to see a chance of showers in the forecast for the first half of the weekend. It's not much of a chance, 20%. I wouldn't adjust any outdoor plans based on that, but just keep in mind there might be a few sprinkles and light showers here and there with a lot of cloud cover overhead on Saturday. The clouds aren't going anywhere for Sunday, but this batch of rain up to our north Saturday night is going to drop down a lot closer to us for the second half of the weekend. So Saturday is looking like the more cooperative half of the weekend for any outdoor plans. Not a washout on Sunday, but plenty of intermittent showers. Temperatures will drop back down closer to normal by early next week and back below normal by the middle of the week. Even cold enough for a chance of a little bit of snow late Tuesday night into early Wednesday. But right now it's just a chance, so we'll keep you posted as we head into next week. Do want to say hello this morning to the first graders at Highland Rim Elementary School.